Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect a Godaddy domain onto your Shopify website. So in Godaddy, I'm just going to search in cool shirts or something, search domains. And there's some pretty expensive ones, especially this, $69. Wow. But if you have picked your domain and you've bought it, just copying the domain name right there. Make sure you buy it first though, because if you haven't bought it, it won't redirect onto your actual website. So copy that once you're done. And let's go to our Shopify admin dashboard right here. And you'd want to go onto the settings down here with the gear icon. And you'd want to scroll down and go onto here, domains. You can either connect an existing domain or buy a new domain, but we're just going to connect an existing domain. And the domain name will be the domain you have bought. Let's press next. And because I haven't actually bought it yet, it'll prompt me to bind the domain. But if you actually bought it, you'll be able to add it as your custom domain to your Shopify website. So that is how you add it in.